Hi, I'm Marlon with another guitar tutorial video. I've always liked the Fender Mustang. I thought it was a cool guitar, but it does have some shortcomings. This is a Japanese reissue, and I didn't want to do any modifications to this particular one, so what I did is I got a Fretwire kit, decided to see what I could do to upgrade it. And so I added things like locking tuners, graphite nut, noiseless pickup, strap locks, and of course I thought gold hardware would be a nice touch. And I also thought Sailor Jerry had some interesting tattoos, so decided to design some decals based on his various tattoos. So go ahead and watch the video, and at the end I'll show you how this guitar sounds.
The Fretwire Mustang guitar was unboxed. Replacement parts consisting of locking tuners, graphite nut, strap locks, replacement volume and tone pots, three-way switch and knobs were examined. Fretboard and body cavities were covered with painter's tape. A template was created. The headstock was then cut using a jigsaw and a Dremel tool. The body and the neck were sanded using number 80, number 120, number 180, number 220, and number 320 sanding blocks and number 400 sandpaper. 5 coats of KITE dye blue stain were applied to the body. Six coats of Tru-oil finish were applied to the neck and body. The decals were created using an inkjet printer and decal paper. The decals were sprayed with 7 coats of OEKRYLON gloss crystal clear lacquer. Decals were applied to the neck and the body. Six coats of clear lacquer were applied to the decals. Frets were polished using number 400 steel wool. Locking tuners were installed using a socket wrench and a screwdriver. String trees and a graphite nut were installed. The stock pickups and the switch were removed from the pickguard. The noiseless pickups and a new switch were then installed into the pickguard. Volume pot, tone pot, and output jack were replaced and rewired. Ground wire was soldered to the bridge, and then the bridge was installed. The switch was connected to the volume and tone controls. The pickups and electronics were tested using a screwdriver and an amplifier. The pick guard and the controls were then screwed into place once these had been tested. Strap locks were installed. The neck was attached to the body using 4 large screws. The guitar was strung. The string height was adjusted along with the intonation. This is what the finished guitar looks like.
Okay, you've seen the video on how I build a guitar. Now I'm going to show you how it sounds. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the bridge pickup, move to the middle position, and then the neck pickup. Here it goes. Go ahead and hit the subscribe and the like button, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.